process management versus project management. In operations management, we mostly work with optimizing processes, and so managing processes. Because in operations management, the focus is usually on producing multiple units or serving multiple customers with the same set of resources. So the focus will be on the flow rate, on making sure the flow is smooth. We want to control the flow time, or we want to manage inventory well. And usually the problem is with the resource that has the lowest capacity that becomes the bottleneck, and that slows down the process, right? In project management, the focus is more on one unit of the product. So the unit of production is usually unique, or it has only some similarity to other units. It's usually much bigger, and the focus is usually on things like let's make sure the project does not have too high a cost. Every unit might have a different cost, and the project might, for example, run for too long, might have some delays. The management of projects, we will try to make sure the project is finished in a reasonable or desired time. So examples of project could be a major construction, developing a new product that later will be produced in a process, or planning a wedding. So we define projects as temporary or non-repetitive operations. Usually they have limited time frame, sometimes have multiple objectives. Often they have temporary organization structure, like we choose, for a particular project, we choose a set of people that, is different from a set of people we chose for a different project in the past. And often it is operated in an ad hoc or improvised management style. Perspective matters, notice, because wedding can be a project for a customer, but for a large company that organizes weddings, it might be more like a unit in a process. Or in a construction, right? A manager of one construction site might consider his construction as a project, but a VP of a large developer company might say, a project is just a unit of flow in a process of creating multiple buildings.